heading out on time with 2 Indigo 32, 1450 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham to Birmingham International. Departing out next on the far side will be 17639, heading out on time, working 1 kilo 19, the 1452 cross country service from Birmingham New Street up to Leicester. Arriving in behind him to terminate is 170.110, arriving in 1 minute late, terminating with 1 goal 30 from Nottingham. First Avanti West Coast action of the session, we'll see 390.006 terminating on time with 9 Golf 24 from London Euston, and arriving in behind me is everyone's least favourite Voyager. Now there is 390.006. Arriving in next for cross country, we'll see 220016 arriving in 9 minutes late with 155.8 in the 1512 cross country service from Leeds to Exeter St David's. Behind me is 221112, heading out on time, working 1 Oscar 20 with the 1503 cross country service from Manchester Piccadilly to Bournemouth. Sierra 49 and 1504 cross-country service from Exeter St David's to Leeds. Heading out next will be 350-103 and 350-104. Departing out on time on 114 with 1505 London Northwestern Railway service to London New Street. Heading now over there, 1 minute late for West Midlands Railway is 7:30:035 and 7:30:039. Departing out 1 minute late with 15:06 and 2 Papa 39 from Bromsgrove to Lichfield, Trent Valley. Coming the other way is 7:30:002 and 7:30:044. Arriving in 1 minute late with the 15:23 and 2 Oscar 40 from Lichfield, Trent Valley to Bromsgrove. And arriving in all the way over on the far side is 7:30:023 and 7:30:010. Arriving in 2 minutes late with 2 Romeo 39 and 15:15 West Midlands Railway service from Four Oaks to Redditch. And one final action for the session just as he finishes going in to the far side of New Street. So finishing us up is 7:30:048, arriving in 1 minute early with 2 Indigo 34 and the 15:25 West Midlands Railway service from Rugeley, Trent Valley to Birmingham International. And as he arrives in, that is a good session at Birmingham New Street.
This includes cycle and external areas of the station. If you don't provide a secure cycle area, you can apply for access by visiting cfwm.org.uk.